So here we have my brand new Lossy Super Rock Ray. Trouble is, in the last video, in the first 60 seconds of testing it, we broke it. Oh no! So in this video, we're going to fix it, then take it out for its first proper run and see what this thing is really made of. Let's check out the suspension, guys. Oh, postman! Oh, new monitor for the new editing PC. Still setting it up at the moment. Got one monitor there, but we still need to get another monitor next to it. And then my old PC, that's going to go home, so I can edit at home as well. And then we'll have a little look to see what's in this box a bit later. So let's get wrenching. Considering how hard we hit that tree, guys, the damage really wasn't that bad. And oh, look at these new toys, guys. They're going to be in the video very, very soon. So there's supposed to be another pin that goes in the top here, the same as there is in the bottom. Trouble is, when we crashed it, we lost it, and no one has any in stock. So for now, we're going to have to improvise. I've got a 5mm drill bit. We'll just cut the end off, screw it in, bish bash bosh, done. Sounds like something V2 Vids would do. Guys, never let your car battery run flat. A few of you guys have said, where's the Lambo been? Well, over here in the UK, it's been winter, the roads are salty. Just like the haters. I don't use it when the roads are bad, and I've left it sat there. You're supposed to charge it up every couple of weeks, and I forgot, and it went flat. Hopefully, it's going to be all right. Boom! What happened? Boom! Done! And guys, if you want to know where we can get the tools from that we used in this video, and where you can get the car from, there's going to be a link to all of that down below. And these tools are dirt cheap and really good. Let's see what we've got in this box. It's like Christmas every day. Smoke machine! No idea how it works though, I've never used one. Oh. Alright, let's go play. We are back on this location. We got the crew in the house. Got more crew over there. Got the boss in there somewhere. Let's have a look at everyone's victims. We got Martin in the house.
No.
What we got here?
Thanks, Max.
Oh, look at the size of that motor.
Goody, ESC.
We got Creightons, we got Technos, more Technos. Oh, C10 body. Can we have a look?
Yep.
Oh, that's looking nice.
It's not going to look like that at the end of the day.
To the moon?
Yep.
Oh, what's this?
It's a mix-up. Mojave chassis, Italian, bit of Creighton.
Got more hooligans over here. Oh, he's got Techno. EXB, whatever that is. Charging station. Oh, look, we found a friend over there. Oh! That's got to be a challenge. Can we get out the hill? Oh, easy! Oh, tumble wumble. Footage. What have you done?
Pivot ball.
Ah, not again. Co Rally tough, baby. the log section. Oh, we made it. Can we make it across? Oh, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Hey, got friends.
Brilliant, isn't they?
Yeah. We got the boss. Let's see if we can wind him up.
Sorry, you on your way?
No. I'm filming, I'm not being a knob. Footage! Who got all the contenders up here, look?
Drive like you've never done it before, hit everything you can and roll it as many times as you can. Head's getting pretty.
Did you hear that? Boss would go crazy. Oh no! No, we got the X-Max in the lead, no we haven't. And the EXP crosses the line. Ew. Oh my God! Oh, it's killed it. Game over. Oh yeah, motor wires come off. Oh look, we've got a mechanic just turned up. The motor wires come undone, I think. It's all in there. What's that motor? Look, fist size. Oh look, we can see the wire hanging off in there. So we get the roof off, we should be able to get back in. Got Graham in the house. Got his coffee. Oh my God, Martin's an animal. Is that yours?
This one of you, folks.
Oh, there we are. Plugging back in and back in action. Back in action. Is that a brand new car?
Yeah.
Obey tough, innit?
Yeah, you wait. Next time comes down.
Let's see if we can beat the professionals with this little rock thing. First challenge, we got to get it onto the racetrack. Yes. We're lining up. So we got Techno, we got a Creighton, we got Ian's Kronos. That's not going to last a lap, is it, mate?
We've done 2 laps.
Got Nitro over there. Oh, and a Hyper VS. Are you lot ready?
Yeah.
We're in the lead. We're in the lead. We're oh, quit bowling. We've gone wide. Oh no, come on, come on. Oh no, that was a tumble-wumble of all tumble-wumbles. That was. And we've gone from first to not first. Oh, we're first. We're first. Come on, come on. No. Oh, who was that? Who won? That's going to be a photo finish. Ready? Martin, what are you doing? Martin, what are you doing, mate? Oh no! So we've got Techno, KA, EXB, X-Max, Kronos, XTR, which is Ian's. That's going to break on the first jump. Ready, steady, go! Oh, we got Carnage already. EXB in the lead. Oh! There we go, first jump. We killed it. Footage. Where's Ian going? Oh, they killed it again! Oh my God, wheels off! Yay. Oh my God, that is to the moon. Jesus, we're going to do that to that in a minute. Oh no! Game over. Might be able to just bodge it on there to get one more jump out of it. Hey, Ian's gonna fix it.
I never agreed to that.
I think we can just bodge that on there, just enough so we can hit that flat out once. The viewers want to see it, so we've got to do it.
There's nothing there to bodge it onto.
Here, you just clamp it. It's only got a last one jump, hasn't it? Oh my God! Whose X-Max is that?
Martin. I don't know how long that's going to hold.
Yeah, well, last one jump, wasn't it?
I don't know.
that yours, Martin? Nice. Right, new hub, and then we'll do it again. They went quite high for not that fast, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, next victim.